I'm going to review the most up-to-date guidance and case law on spousal maintenance. To begin with, I'm going to briefly cover the relevant statutory provisions and the scope for obtaining orders, then move on to consider the most helpful authorities for spousal maintenance claims in general, and those for specific questions relating to spousal maintenance. I shall then look at this in the context of recent case law decisions and end with a couple of slides on drafting relating to spousal maintenance and what to look out for in terms of changes in the future. It will come as no surprise that the key statute is the Matrimonial Causes Act 1973. Schedule 5 of the Civil Partnership Act 2004 provides for the same provision being available to civil partners on dissolution. So when I refer to marriage or spouses, what I'm saying is equally true of partnership and partners. I've made a brief nod to the Maintenance Enforcement Act 1991, which provides the power to order periodical payments are paid by standing order or via an attachment of earnings order. And just a reminder, whether it's relief or not, that for all applications commenced after 11 p.m. on 31st December 2020, the EU maintenance reg does not apply in terms of jurisdiction. It's domestic law and also the 2007 Hague Convention. Moving on to slide 2, I've set out what can be ordered under the Matrimonial Causes Act, and the relevant sections are Section 22, Section 23, Section 25 and 25A, Section 28 and Section 31. These cover maintenance pending suit. They cover the fact that there is no one bite at the cherry in terms of maintenance applications. You can make multiple applications, and that you can get term orders, joint vibes orders, nominal orders, secured payments orders. And in Section 31, there is the ability to vary any existing order, providing there's no 28(1)(a) bar. And in doing so, the court has the power to make lump sums, pay lump sums, make property adjustment orders, or make pension shares in lieu of that ongoing maintenance.